In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files using Dropbox. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Dropbox, you'll be able to share your files and folders confidently by the end of this video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you should land on your Dropbox home dashboard. This is where all your folders and files are listed. Take a moment to locate the folder that you want to share. It might be a project folder, a collection of photos, or any group of files you'd like someone else to access. When you've found the right folder, move your mouse over it and look for the share option. This is usually shown either as a button or an icon next to the folder name. Click on Share. This is the main control you'll use to give other people access to that folder. A sharing window will pop up. Here, Dropbox gives you a couple of ways to share. One of the most common is to click on Add People. This lets you invite specific people directly by their email addresses or names, if they're already connected to you. If you prefer not to invite individuals and just want a link you can send yourself, you could choose the option to copy link instead. That creates a shareable link that you can paste into an email, a message, or anywhere else. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on adding people directly. Click on Add People, and then click into the field where you can type an email address or a name. Carefully enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. If you're adding more than one person, make sure each address is correct to avoid sending access to the wrong recipient. Depending on your Dropbox settings, you may also see options to control permissions here, such as allowing editing or view-only access. Choose the level of access that makes sense for what you're sharing. Next, you'll see a message field. Click into this field and type a short message to explain what you're sending. For example, you might mention what the folder contains, why you're sharing it, or any instructions they should follow. Adding a brief note helps the recipient understand the context and makes it less likely your invitation will be ignored. Once you've added the people and written your message, you're ready to send. Look for the share button in the window and click it. Dropbox will now send invitations to the people you specified, and they'll receive an email with a link giving them access to that folder. And that's it. You've successfully sent files using Dropbox by sharing a folder with others.